You are watching Daily Prime Info. Tonight, we bring you a major update from the Middle East war zone, where the conflict has now entered its seventh day of relentless fire. And now, a new global power may be entering the battlefield according to fresh reports. Russia may be secretly assisting Iran's war machine. A report by the Washington Post claims that the Kremlin is allegedly providing real-time satellite intelligence to Tehran. If these reports are accurate, it means Moscow could be acting as Iran's eyes in the sky. Officials quoted in the report say Russia may be sharing precise satellite data that helps Iran track American warships and aircraft in the region. Such a move would mark the indirect entry of a nuclear-armed rival into the war. However, there has been no official confirmation from either side so far, but the developments on the ground are raising serious questions. Iran has launched multiple drone attacks targeting U.S. military bases across the Middle East. These attacks have struck facilities in Kuwait, Qatar, and Saudi Arabia earlier. Analysts believed Iran was randomly launching swarms of drones to overwhelm U.S. air defenses, but now, military experts say the strikes appear far more precise. The suspicion is that Russian intelligence may be helping Iranian forces locate weak points in U.S. defenses. Meanwhile, Donald Trump has issued a dramatic ultimatum. The American president has warned that nothing less than unconditional surrender from Iran will stop the rain of fire. As the conflict intensifies, the joint U.S.-Israeli aerial campaign is expanding. American Northrop Grumman B-2 Spirit stealth bombers are dropping 2,000-pound bunker-busting bombs on hardened Iranian targets. At the same time, fighter jets of the Israel Defense Forces are launching retaliatory strikes on Iranian missile and drone facilities. The battlefront is spreading rapidly. From the ruins of Beirut to the burning streets of Tehran, thousands of civilians are fleeing the heaviest bombardment since the war began. Meanwhile, Israel says it has eliminated several high-ranking commanders of Hezbollah in Lebanon. At the center of this conflict remains Iran's controversial nuclear program. The International Atomic Energy Agency says it has not found conclusive evidence that Iran was building a nuclear bomb, but the agency has raised concerns that Iran has enriched uranium far beyond the levels needed for civilian nuclear power. This has fueled fears in Washington and Tel Aviv that Tehran may still be pursuing nuclear weapons. And as the war escalates, another question is emerging: could this conflict soon grow into a direct confrontation between global superpowers? Because if Russia is truly sharing intelligence with Iran, this war may no longer remain just a regional conflict. It could become the next major geopolitical flashpoint between Washington and Moscow, and the world is watching nervously.